Hello my birdies, how are you all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Keena Beauty and Lifestyle. For all those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please like, share and subscribe to it and hit the bell icon. Today I'm going to create this look that is for the festive season that is around the corner, which is for Navratri or Durga Puja. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. Here I'm starting with my eye makeup first. I'm using my concealer over here, which is from the Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids, and with the help of my fingertips I'm gently going to spread the concealer all over my lid. This is the base for my eyeshadow, guys. And here I'm using my Swiss Beauty loose powder and gently applying it on my lids to set the concealer in place. Here I'm using Essence the Rose Gold Edition, and from that palette I'm going to take a darker shade, which is maroonish kind of a shade, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelid, all over my eyelid with the same color, and dab dab dab, gently put the color all over your lid. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Now with the help of a blending brush, I'm going to blend the color all over the lid. Make sure there are no harsh line left. Now from the same palette I'm going to use a brownish shade and I'm going to apply it on my crease area. This is my transition color. Just gently apply it all over your crease. For the perfume hacks, I have a video. Do click on the I button above. And with the help of a blending brush, just blend the two colors together. Now from the same palette I'm going to take a shimmery shade and I'm going to put it on my middle of my eye, just above the pupil, and with the help of my fingertips. This will give me a halo eye effect and my eyes will pop. For all those who wants to learn smoky eye look, click on the I button above. Here I'm using my plum kajal and applying it on my waterline. Now here I'm using my Swiss Beauty metallic eyeliner in the shade green and applying it just below the waterline where I have applied the kajal. Since my dress is green, so I'm using the green metallic shade and it's a shimmery one. Now I'm using Swiss Beauty mascara and applying it on my lashes. Guys, please like, share and subscribe. The other eye as well. And I'm going to apply false lashes behind the camera. So this is the look that I got from applying the false lashes. Now I'm starting with my face, and for the face I'm using my Lakme CC cream and applying it all over my face. I've already moisturized my face and applying the BB cream now. Now I'm going to use my MAC foundation and Miss Clear Illuminator base, mixing the two products together with the help of a stippling brush and applying it all over my face and with a very light hand and spreading it all over it. If you want your hair to be shiny, I have a rice hair mask video. The link is in the I button above. Now with the concealer, I'm using this concealer all over the spots that I have on my face and gently dabbing it with my fingers. Now I'm using my compact and setting the foundation and concealer that I've used. Now I'll be defining my brows with this Innisfree brow pencil, filling the brows with the pencil that is on the other end, and finishing it up with this concealer with the help of a flat brush, angular brush. This will define my eyebrows and gently spreading it with my fingers. Now I'm going to contour my face with this contouring stick, and with the help of the brush I'm gently spreading the stick. Now here I'm using my Wet n Wild contour palette, and from that palette I'm spreading the powder over the contouring stick that I've used. Now I'm using my LA Colors palette and I'm using the blush on my face. Now from the same Essence palette I'm using the highlighting shade for my brow bone, the other brow as well, using the highlighter on the cheekbones, on the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to use the same highlighter and I'm going to use it in the inner corner of my eyes, which will help my eyes pop. Using lipstick in the natural shade by Milani, putting a bindi to give it a whole Indian look. Now I've started with my hair. I've gently tie up my hair on the other side and making like a bun, a messy bun, and rolling the hair and just gently putting it securing it with the pins. Now please like, share and subscribe, guys. Now I'm using the gajra which I bought from the market. You can use your hair accessories if you have. Securing it with the pin again. This is a side messy bun, guys. This looks really nice. Now I'm putting my jewelry to give it a whole Indian look. Look, guys, this is my complete look. You can put a chunni over it and you're good to go. So yeah guys, this is my complete look for the Durga Puja और Navratri festival that is around the corner. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर अच्छा लगा है तो please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me grow. Happy Navratri to you all and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.